Hey, what's up guys, this is your friend Captain DRS. You all are already watching DRS and DRS, and I hope you all are doing well. And in today's video, we are going to talk about something different and something new on this channel. It is known as the weekly tech updates. Now these are the updates came around the week and we're gonna talk about them on this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. You to the sneak peek you'll be getting about the Apple iPhone, Windows 11, Nintendo Switch, Redmi, iQOO, and such more updates are there, so stay tuned with us. Starting off from the Apple iPhone SE 3, the news are coming that it would be having the 5G connectivity support, which means that it would be having the A14 chip, and also there is some rumors regarding that the design won't be changing, which means you'll be getting is the same design as the SE2, which means SE 2020. Talking about the next news is also coming from the iPhone, that the iPhone 14 series won't be having that punch hole display, which we were saying the renders and rumors. It would be having the notch, but kinda say it would be a smaller one, but it is also telling us that the Pro models might have a punch hole display. Let's see, it is coming next year. We all know Nintendo Switch OLED has been launched and there are plenty of buyers of it, and it is a sad news coming straight from the USA and Europe that it is been delayed, and some of them are telling it is out of the stock and it hadn't came up a proper info has been hadn't came up to the hands. So let's see what Nintendo is going to give us the answer. This is coming from the Microsoft Windows 11. The newly came out Windows 11 is slowly breaking down the AMD processors, and there are some bugs in the Windows 11 which is doing that things, but Microsoft and AMD are in talk to fix this thing, and we soon gonna be seeing a firmware or any type of update coming on to the Windows 11. Next news is coming straight from the Motorola, and they have teased up the two new smartphones, which is Motorola G Pure and the Motorola E40. Talking about the E40, which will be having some nicer specs compared to the G Pure. It is having G25, which is a kind of old processor and not a really powerful processor. And if you have to talk about this guy E40, you'll be getting is a Unisoc T700 processor, 48 megapixel triple camera setup, and a 6.5 inches IPS LCD 90Hz display, which is good. And what way it's gonna be available, I'll be mentioning a teaser page of the Flipkart in the description down here and below, and if it would be available globally also there will be available in the description, so make sure you check those out. News is coming from the Samsung. A Samsung Galaxy A52 has got a firmware update regarding the RAM updates. What does that mean? The RAM has been plushed up, and there are some few chances that the even budget less than that smartphones would be also having. There are some rumors that the M52, not the 5G variant, we're gonna talk about in a second, not a 5G variant, would be having that update too. We're gonna see what we're gonna know. So now let's talk about the M52 5G. The Samsung actually launched this smartphone in this week, and it is powerful in its specs. Talking about the pricing, it is kept at 30,000, but in the introductory price and the sale pricing, it is around 26,000, which is really nice. Again, the links in the description if you want to know or anything buying about it, and check it out. The phone is good, punch hole display, M52, even it is a 5G display, remember that, and also it is having a 120Hz AMOLED display, good. And at the rear side you will be getting is a triple camera setup and a huge display, and Samsung displays are known for what you are paying for. But the one thing is that you won't be getting headphone jack, and if you want to know more what you gonna be having, links are in the description, check it out. Next news is coming from the Blackshark. Blackshark is a gaming industry smartphone. If you want to know more about, there is one video regarding it, links up in the iCard. Blackshark 4S has been tipped up to be launching on October 13, and this might be in China, then might be in global. But one thing is that 4 wasn't came up in India. We are hoping that it would be coming, but there is some rumors that it would be having this Blackshark 4S would be having the 888 plus and a triple camera setup at the rear side. Let's see, it is near only. It's coming from the MediaTek Dimensity series processor. That the Dimensity 2000 will be having a 4nm node, and it is telling us that the TSMC is making it engine. And also there are some leaks regarding the processor concepts. Number one, it would be having Cortex X2, which is a really high upgrade from the Snapdragon 888. If you know that it was having the Cortex X1, this is a huge update from the Cortex X1 to X2, and it would be same having the Mali GPU, which hasn't came up to us very properly, but there are some chances that this 4nm processor might be sneaking up to us in the Q1 of 2021, sorry 2022, sorry. So let's hope for the best, and this might be the first processor to go on to the 4nm and snipped up in my eyes for the leaks. So let's hope. Next news is coming from the Realme, that the Realme GT Neo 2, huge name, it's coming in China on 13 October. Great, and might be seen in India really soon. And we don't know anything about the specs and any stuff, but if you are interested in any type of video, in detail video, then let us know in the comment section and it would be made. So that was Realme GT Neo 2. So those were some of the weekly tech updates of what are the news which you wanted to know, and this was the episode 1, or you can say the part 1 of it. More are coming really soon. As per the news we will get, we will make a video. So what type of news you are interested regarding the technology stuff, let us know in the comment section down below. And if you wanted to know more about the tech media, then subscribe and press the bell icon. You won't be regretting it, so make sure you do it. And if you enjoy this video, then liking, sharing among your friends gonna be appreciating our work. And by the way, this is me, your friend Captain Diaz, signing off. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected with us by pressing the bell icon. Peace out.